I'm back. Oh, it looks like my lathe has transformed into a drill press. Wow, what's going on here? Well, maybe we're trying to finish up my drill press adapter and get it on. You can kind of see up on the motor there's one pulley, and there's a 1, 2, 3, 4-step pulley for the spindle. So this is what I'm trying to take care of. So I thought that I would commence to do that. And there's the pulley that I want to get installed, and the adapter is in my drill press vise. I already did the pilot hole. Let's see what happens. Ooh. The hole is done. So now we have to thread it. I figured I'd do that for you. Show you the process that I use. Take the drill out. This is a countersink I'm going to put in. Now when you're threading, you have to drill an undersized hole for the thread that you need, and you need to go to a tap drill chart to find out what drill to use. So this is a 1/4 28. You could use a coarse or a fine. This is a fine thread, and I'm supposed to use a number 3 drill, which is what I used. And here's my key handle with the 1/4 28 tap on it. Now what I like to do, I drilled the hole. You notice it might be all secured. Line that up. Use the drill press to hold it. So it's going to be following the same hole that I just drilled. Just a little bit of pressure, and I start to turn. And lower the drill press as I go. After you turn a little bit, you always back off to break the chip. You never just keep turning it. And this is the fun part. Thread a little bit, break the chip. And you can tell when it's time to back up because it gets a little bit more resistance. Never just keep twisting. This is not like using a nut and bolt. You gotta break the chip. Otherwise you'll break the tap. And then you're really messed up. Now once you got it started, you know it's all nice and lined up. Gets a little easier. You can use both hands. Break the chip. Break the chip. And once you get this down far enough, it's pretty much threaded through. And you can kind of just keep on going, as I'm doing now. Because now it's completely threaded. But what I like to do is going on wicked easy now. I'm going to break this loose, take it out, and blow it out so that I get all the chips out of there before I extract the tap. Come on, baby. Come on. Blow it out. Get the set screw onto an Allen wrench. And now, if all went well, and it did, it just threads right in like it's supposed to. And it's coming through on the other side. So that's how you thread a hole. So what's next? Oh, we got to get rid of the other pulley. So let's focus on that. Go over this way so you can watch to see what I'm doing. Now, get a 1/2-inch wrench. Undo this. That should be enough. Got another lock bolt on the other side. Now I can move the motor. Got to move the motor in order to get the belt off. Get the belt out of the way. Turn this around. Get a wrench in there. Come on. There it is. And that old pulley pops off. Now let's take my new one. I line it up with the flat that's on the motor. I'm going to turn that around. Get my other Allen wrench. Get that off. Back that out. Get it all the way down. Okay, now one problem that I have is this is sticking out just a little bit. So I'm going to take that back out and go to my bench grinder on the other side of my drill press and just shave off a little bit there. Try that again. Being careful not to kick the tripod. Now that's almost flush. Let's see if the pulley will go on. Nope. Second verse, same as the first. Pull this out again, take a little bit more off. I got less than a 1/16 of an inch. take a little bit more off. Try it again. I'm using 2 set screws on the adapter piece because I have to use smaller set screws. Come on, baby. Get in there. There we go. Let's see if this goes on now. Oh, just a little bit more. But I'm not going to take it out again. I'm going to get filed. Just take off that little bit extra. Got to remember that files only cut on the forward stroke, just like a hacksaw. So I'm taking just a little bit off here. A little bit more. Voila! Now I want to make sure that the set screw for the pulley is offset so it doesn't crush one of those other ones. And there's only one set screw on the pulley because it's a bigger size set screw. It's 5/16 rather than a 1/4 inch. And I'm clear of the motor. It's spinning nice. We'll put the belt back on. And what I want to check, take a straight edge, not quite long enough. Get another straight edge. And I want to make sure that this pulley lines up with this one. And it's like it was made for it. So the pulleys are lined up good. I'll tighten up that set screw a little bit more. That should be good. And now I get a little persuader. And push the motor back out to make sure the belt is tight. And tighten it up. Get the other side. Tension seems good. I want to get always remove the Chucky. I call him Chucky, but it's really a Chuck key. Now let's go back. Turn it on. Nice! The job is finished. The adapter works great. What more can one ask for? Goodbye for now. Next video will be looking at the lathe again. Thank you very much.